Good morning, YouTubers. Yes, Saturday morning, early starts. Unfortunately, the only thing I've got done with the mill on this side is the lighting. The problem I've got is this front bit of track, so if you let me put the lights on, I'll explain a little bit better. Yeah, the problem I've been having is of where this is situated. There, across here now, is this track in front of it. As you can see there, as it comes up, there's the track, and what I have to do is just let me see. Yeah, at this point here, there, obviously then straight up, then I have to lean across over to that section. So if I come back out a sec, so there it is, I have to lean right across and then under that one. And the problem I've been having is I don't have the best back in the world, and it's been absolutely creasing me. So to come from here and then under that has been too much this last week. So nothing's been done on there apart, like I say, from the lighting and getting the wires up to where I want to put my control board for everything. But I've not sat here idle. I've actually worked on some other part of the layout, so I'll show you that now. Right, what I've worked on is some of the track work. This was just 4 tracks going down in many ways down that way. 2 split off to the right and 2 split off to the left. One then to the left takes me round underneath. Excuse the track on top, that's what I'm working on. Takes me round and obviously comes round that way. Now I couldn't get, if you come up to the top level, see down here, I'm going to say, where are we? Yeah, there, and then up to the top level I couldn't switch trains round. We just either had one on one loop or one on another loop, and that was it. That's why I never really bothered running trains, because all you see is the 4 trains going round all the time. It didn't look right. So what I've done now, I've split in a junction there. So what it means is now I've put a section in, will take us off in that direction, and the 3 tracks go around down to there, round, and then down and back into here. Now this section here, there, this track used to stop there. So what this means is now I can come off this area here, and it'll come in and then into here. There's absolutely stuff everywhere, and then what it'll do is come round and across, and that'll go up onto my top board, and then vice versa, because what I've got to do is now put another junction in this area so I can cross them over and take them down to the lower. What used to happen, the one that used to go off to the right used to go down there, shoot off under that bridge there now, round underneath that top track, and on this, let me get the pointer there, it comes up, round and up, and that takes me up onto my top section. But now I've put a board over the top, which will be the fiddle yard where I can keep some stock, and I'll be able to interchange from top to bottom now, which will make it look a bit more interesting when it's running. I know it's a bit up and down at the minute because I'm not sure myself where everything is yet. Just give you an overall view now. So there you go, go across that line, the main line there. I'll go into this area, across, round the back. There's a few points and things over there in the rear, which will take 2 lines round and take me into this area. So going back, it goes underneath. Light's not very good over there because obviously the track never used to be over there. And then it comes down this line and then round and then back into the main track here, and then takes you round and into the station area. So I've not been sitting on my backside, done quite a bit of work on this. Next thing is to get it all wired in. Just zoom out now. That is all the work that's gone on. All it used to be, and that section down there, is this piece. So as I get a bit further on, hopefully in the next video we should have the trains going round. Start to look a bit more interesting and a bit more tidy. But at the moment I'm waiting on points coming and some other bits and bats so I can carry on. I've also got signals and all sorts ordered. So that's the state of play at the minute. As soon as back gets a bit better, I'll get back on with the mill. But fortunately on this side I'm able to get into the middle of it and stand up. Obviously you can see the gaps in between. So that's where I'm up to at the moment. So thanks very much for watching. If you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much. Bye for now.